Good morning, everyone. We are here in beautiful Playa Tamarindo, the sport fishing capital of Costa Rica. We're going out on the Muy Caliente sport fishing charter. If you are looking for a great time and looking to catch fish in Costa Rica, look no further. We're aboard the Muy Caliente sport fishing boat. This is a newly renovated 31-foot bell tram. As you can see, there's plenty of space for you and your guests to relax and catch fish. Also known as a doral, right? Mahi-mahi, very good fish. I want to thank the crew of the Muy Caliente for an amazing outing on the water today. We were able to catch some mahi and some bonita. And if your travels take you to this area in the future, don't hesitate to call on them.